In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Capcut on iPhone for beginners. Capcut offers a wide range of powerful editing tools and features to help you create stunning videos right from your iOS device. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced editor, Capcut will provide an intuitive interface and robust functionality to bring your creative vision to life. To start using Capcut on your iPhone as a beginner, simply follow the steps included in the video. Step 1. Download and install Capcut. First of all, open up your App Store on your iOS device. Go to the search box at the top and type in Capcut. Once you find the search result, go ahead and tap on this application and tap on the install button or the get button to begin downloading Capcut on your iPhone. Wait for the app to download and install. Once the app is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to launch Open Capcut on your iPhone. Allow necessary permission for the application and agree to the terms and conditions of Capcut. Go ahead and answer some of the questions along the way, or skip the questions and get straight to Capcut home interface by tapping on skip at the top right. Once you get to the main home page, which looks like this for Capcut, you can now start exploring the Capcut interface. Step 2. Import your video clips. In order to start editing with Capcut, you can just go ahead and tap on the edit button at the bottom left and tap on the new project option in order to import a video clip and start editing. If you'd like to log in or sign in to your Capcut account, simply go to the Me button at the bottom right and select one of the login methods which is suitable for you. You can also continue using Capcut without signing in. To import your video clips, get to the main edit page and tap on New Project. Allow full access or limited access for your photo library and choose the video you would like to edit from the display. Now, tap on Done at the top right once you are done selecting the clip. You can now further trim the video or simply tap on the Add button at the bottom right in order to export the video on Capcut. Step 3. Trimming and splitting clips. To trim a clip, simply go ahead and tap on the timeline that you can see in the video preview page. Drag the handles appearing in the front and at the rear end of your clip. You can drag the slider and adjust the clip or select the portion of the clip you would like to edit or include in your video. After selecting the duration for your video, you can now split the clip. Make sure that you've tapped on the video and then tap on the split button at the bottom left. Now that you've split your clip, you can add transitions by tapping on the Add Transitions option and selecting a transition that will suit your video. Once you are done making necessary edits, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right in order to apply the transition to your split. You can also add text and music to your clip. Tap on the text icon at the bottom and add a text, sticker, auto caption, and much more. Similarly, you can also add new audio by tapping on the audio button. Select the sounds icon and then choose one of these sounds displayed on the screen and select the sound that you'd like to add to your clip. Remember that to sync in with your favorite sound, you will need to log into your TikTok account, or if you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up with one. Go ahead and explore all the features of Capcut, and once you are done with it, and after you are happy with your edits, you can tap on the play button appearing on the middle of the screen. Soon after you do that, you will be able to preview your video. After everything's done, you can tap on the export button at the top right in order to export your video. But if you want to make any final adjustments, you can go ahead and do it. Make sure to explore out all of the features Capcut has to offer, and then you will be able to use Capcut for your video edits on your iPhone. And congratulations! You have now successfully learned how to use Capcut on iPhone to edit your own videos. You can also create professional quality videos right from your iOS devices. So that's a quick wrap up for the video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.